This video, what I'm doing is patching up all these little holes and all those big holes and all this crap that I don't want open to the cab. I might stitch weld this too down here, but just try and clean it up a bit. So I'm gonna set you guys up here because what I'm welding is this hole right here. I'll see what it's like with the camera, if it messes up or not, so I'm gonna do that. So yeah, like I said, I'm patching all these holes. I'm gonna make it look nice and clean, just because I want it to look good. Hopefully it's not messing up my camera, but whatever, it is what it is. I'm gonna hook up the air hose and do that one. Maybe clean that one. Make sure there's no fire going on. Yeah, let's have some fun with the welder. Fill in some holes that apparently are starting. Make it look nice and clean. Hopefully that'll stay there without falling. I don't know if these ones are going to hold, but whatever. Do some more over on that side, fill in the holes. This car's not the greatest shape, but whatever. It's my car and I like it. So I'm going to clean up all these ones that I've welded right now to see if the weld's actually held. And I'll pick up the camera in a bit. I might set you up on a tripod. I had to pull the motor out in order for us to do the clutch line for the internal sleeve, which is right there. So I'm going to just sit here and clean up the engine bay while it's out and try and make it look a lot better. Alright guys, as you see, that's all welded. My camera's going slow motion. Slow zoom apparently. But those are welded. That's all welded. Sorry. That's welded. That spot's welded over there. And then, yeah. Other than that, I don't know. Like I said, I pulled the motor out so we could do that fitting instead of using this fitting that GM usually does because it's a press fitting. So we're doing that. I gotta get the line tomorrow, which I'm gonna continue the video tomorrow. We're gonna put it onto the transmission, made it back up to the clutch and engine, and then slam this bad boy back into there and start bleeding the freaking clutch, which is gonna suck because I'm gonna crawl underneath and bleed it from that. So like I said, I'll continue this video tomorrow. I'm gonna go inside, eat some supper, and relax with Corinne and the kids, and figure out some more stuff I gotta go through in my checklist, see what I've got to do.